Okay, so here I am in the Karadeniz Bölge, whatever, the Black Sea region of arguably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been in my life. Look where I'm gonna walk. It's so awesome.
I know, right?
Right? Yeah, definitely. I feel so happy to be here. I had no idea this was here. Look. Oh my God, hugging a cliff. Go ahead. It's not that crowded, just a couple of people. But look. Ready? Ooh, it's a little bit far down there. That's where we were just a bit ago. And we were taking pictures in the pool, which was awesome. We scritched by. Oh, and barefooting. I'm barefooting. Because it's awesome. And there's nothing that hurts my toes or anything. So, so many different mosses. Look at all of that. Look. Oh, and a huge cave. Look at the huge cave. Oh, you could like spend the night and have a party in there and everything, and friends or whatever. Oh, I'm having so much fun. I think I'm going to jog a little bit. Ooh. Oh, and there's a pool. I wonder if there's Yanku. I wonder if I can sing a song here. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Adios for now.